Hi, I'm fainting. I was just checking my outfit, minding my business, trying to be cute. As you know, we are just the girls who have to do some pics and vids. By the way, I'm on my way to see my friend cause I miss her too much. So come with me and do Kinyangro version at the same times. Life was normal, simple, peaceful, and then
It's me. It's you. I see you, mama.
some more plans changed and I have to work and learn at the same times. I love when I'm in my chef Ella. You see me, I'm the chef. Do you know that? 1 minute I'm outside, the next minute I'm working in the kitchen like I know exactly what I'm going to do. But what are we going to do?
Let's do croissant.
You hear that right. We're about to do croissant. Instead of looking cute, we have dough, we have our butter, we have a rolling pin, and we have hands. Today we are not gonna using machine. Like, why? We are Africans, right? Plan was simple, to use machine so that it can be easy for me. But as African girl plus village girl, we are going to use hands, like hands. Let's struggle a little bit. We are folding, kneading, but this though, it started to fighting back. Like, bro, I thought we are friends. I thought we are a team because I love you. Why can't you love me back? Oh my God, I'm dying. Folding, lolling, folding. Like it's a game. Ako bura ntabwo twakora indirimbo. Producer, bring Jitaf here. At this point, it's not baking anymore. It's like fighting. It's a situationship. Bruh, ntabwo nahisemo kuvuka. I'm innocent as you. This door is bullying me. Plus, is slapping in my face as how my mama used to do it. I'm joking. But though, yeah, we Africans, my mama used to slap me like too hardly. Don't play with parents Africans. And now I'm working fridge, freezing for croissant. And now we are doing shapes tugiye gushushanya. I used to know how to draw though when I was in primary. Ariko nenze gushushanya iki? Imodoka, Mercedes Benz, Range Rover. Abantu muzi ukuntu twashushanyaga kera turi primary. We are team. Wait, hold on. This looks like it's a croissant. It is? I didn't know we can made it. Me and you, we made it for sure. Uri kubona ukuntu twashushanyije? Yep, that's it. That's croissant. And we're about to wait for like 2 hours. Ugomba kumara amasaha abiri utegereje. So obviously, I can just stand there. You have to work, of course. I was doing cake while we waiting our croissant to rise up. Because multitasking, we love that. You should love that. You, my friend, if we have anything to celebrate with or if it's birthday, hit me up. That's it. We are friends, right? And yeah, if you wonder how this video finds you, I have a YouTube channel. I opened a YouTube channel a couple months ago. Check it out. It's called Fence Food Corner. Anyway, this cake looks like it need to be cold. Let me take it in a freezer. After 2 hours. Look at that. It looks like it's a fish in the ocean. After 2 hours, uba ugomba guhita ushiraho amagi kugira ngo uze gusa neza unabe crushed like my life. No, I'm joking. I'm good as fuck. And tada, that's our cake. It looks good, right? From the scratch. Ariko kwandika, nago biraza neza. Ariko, I'm gonna working on that. Trust me. From outfit check, chef mode, fighting a door in a cold. We did it. But honestly, I will do it again. Last but not least, I wanna thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying. Thank you for listening Kinyangro version. I know it's hard, but with our generation,